We know time is precious, and while you are staying at home due to lockdown, you may utilize this valuable time to enrich your skill and reach the goal of your life. 10 suggested activities that may enable you to bring prosperity in your life during this lockdown period. So, stay at home, stay safe, and utilize your own time to get the best out of it. Before going to the points, please press the subscribe button for more updates. Activity number 1. Develop your soft skill. You have ample time now, so you may develop some soft skill that you are interested. Some suggested kinds are like improve your memory power with special memory technique. You may get information in this regard from our website, link given in our description box. Learn to play musical instrument available at your home with the help of YouTube tutorial videos. You are passionate of singing a song, just have tried to make it with karaoke available in various web portals. Try to paint a picture that you wanted to or grow interest. Discover your artist mind. You must have a beautiful one because you are talented enough. Just explore it with practice. Art and crafts works may be done with resources available at home. Share your knowledge using the digital platform while everyone is at home. You may start online tutorial, get all related information in this regard, how to establish the network, just Google it. Learn how to use digital platform to avail IT enabled services in your daily life like video conference and remote access desktop for your official job, paying bills, online shopping, renewal of license and many more things. Number 2. Enjoy quality time with your family members. This is the time when you must spend some quality time with your family beside your other commitments. Those may be assist to cook food, cleaning or organizing your sweet home, playing indoor games, antakshari, watching movies, and many more things of your choice. Activity number 3. Acquire specific knowledge. Learning is a continuous process, so don't stop learning due to any adverse condition. We have many online institutions throughout the world. Government of India has introduced Swayam online project which is fully free and require no formal education. Moreover, everything is at online mode. Update your general knowledge browsing various quality websites like Wikipedia, etc. Gain financial knowledge to earn more and safe and secure investment. You may gain more and more information on share market strategies. Knowledge of basic healthcare is very essential to everyone. So let's acquire knowledge of human anatomy and physiology, home remedies or first aid of common diseases, yoga therapy, nutrition and role of disease causes, microbes like virus, bacteria, protozoa, etc. Key number 4. Explore your creative ideas. Human being is bored with creative ideas. We, everyone have some creative ideas. This is a time to nurture it and explore it. You may have different kind of ideas. Some of them are write the book or articles you wanted to make it. If you are interested in science and technology, you may develop your creative ideas on this field. You may devote your time and effort to create some graphic works in computer. You may engage yourself in fabric design with the help of online tutorials. You may start your own YouTube channel to share your creative works in any field you are interested. You may decorate your garden in some unique ways and give wings to your imagination to grow creative ideas in your mind. Activity number 5. Practice yoga and meditation. To stay healthy, yoga is the best way that you should follow to achieve your ultimate goal of your life. Wake up early in the morning and practice yoga, meditation, and physical exercises daily to grow immunity in your body to fight against the fatal diseases. Number 6 is reading books. Reading is one of the good habits of the most effective people of the world. So, to achieve lifelong prosperity, keep alive the habit of reading books. Books are the powerhouse of knowledge. So, try to read the books kept in yourself or a soft copy available in the web. Number 7 is to communicate old friends. Friends and relatives are important in our life. Due to busy schedule, we often couldn't keep a regular contact with them. Now it's the time to stay connected with all your friends and relatives through phone calls and social networking sites. Number 8 is think about possible solutions of worldwide major problems. Our planet is suffering from many serious problems and we, everyone, are responsible to make it. So, we must think about possible solutions of it. We should think of our role, our ability, our responsibility, contribution, and solidarity to remove the darkness. Next one, number 9, is to empower yourself to fight against all odds. You must increase your brain power, your ability, your strength to fight against all odds. To increase your mind and memory power, you must know about various aspects of your brain. Our brain, body organs, including sense organs and memory, cumulatively represent human existence. To keep our brain healthy, we must drink sufficient water, practice deep breath exercise, ensure adequate rest, get healthy food, stress free days, positive attitude, and build up no procrastination. Try to know about unlimited power of our subconscious mind and use it to achieve your goal in life. Our brain consists huge memory space. It is more than the space retains in 300 years long HD video. So don't worry, you are born with huge memory. Matter is to access this. To learn the memory power improvement technique, you may follow our YouTube video or website link given in the description box. Last and number 10 is stay motivated to get success. To make the best effort for your goal, you must be motivated in spite of huge time. While at home, you may not utilize it due to low motivation. So, stay motivated. Keep consistency with motivational books, videos, and audiobooks available in the YouTube. Details of some books are here. After all, to get the best out of these, you must believe yourself. Write your goal on a paper and read it loudly every day. Let the signal reach to your subconscious mind and it will be resulted to achieve your goal. Finally, you must be a winner. Stay at home, stay safe and achieve more. Subscribe our channel to get update. Thank you.